day is it today actually? So it's fast forward to 8th of January. I'm continuing packing. My list is up like a week or next week really, so why not pack? I just thought I will pack my bookcases today. So this is basically like my uni books and whatnot. I have some old books that I have to sort out. That's me right there. Look at that. Whoa. That's me. This is so crazy. I've finished clearing my bookcase, which is good. Now, I actually don't know where to move to next. I still have some things I have to clear in my wardrobe because I am actually not done. I still have some clothes on the hanger, but this is what the bookcase is looking like now. We're all, well, empty. Those things are just like miscellaneous things that I'm probably just gonna chuck. I've got to arrange the things that are in my drawers, sort them out, chuck some things out that doesn't need to be there, so that way I know that they're cleared, because I'm just gonna take the drawers as they are. I'm not gonna like remove it. And then we've got these ones right here, so it's empty, which is good. And then I've taken all the stuff away from there. Yeah, so now this is done. This is so heavy, they're really heavy, so I'm gonna put that aside and then we're gonna move on to the next chapter. Yeah. Whoa, this is dirty. I'm gonna put it right here. Do anything to the bedroom, to the wall. So it is another day of moving. What I'm gonna do today is basically just clear my Alex drawer. I'm gonna leave all the things that are in there, but what did I just say? I'm gonna leave the things in there, but I just want to make sure that the things that are there to stay, you know. I don't want to take anything that I don't need to take with me to the new house, so no way, that's not gonna happen. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna start clearing.
She's only been there half a minute.
Riggs is ranked higher than I am, and I'm his boss. You've anastomosed a vessel before, right?
Yes, ma'am. I've assisted on a femoral artery repair.
actually went to the storage. I brought in all the things that were in my storage. So now there are some books, I think, and there are some clothes in this box right here. So I'm gonna sort these ones out this morning just before I go to work. Okay. Hi guys, guess what? It is my final day in this apartment. It's literally just been professionally cleaned. So everywhere is empty, everywhere is super clean. This mirror is clean, like inside the carpet is still a bit wet, so a bit damp really. But yeah, that's all cleaned as well. I'm gonna miss this apartment. And that screen door has been cleaned. Look at that. I am moving very far away from this place. I am so gonna miss it. Can't believe it. Wow, that's just my junk that I'm taking with me. Bye. I am so gonna miss this place. It's been really nice. 2 years in this apartment. I can't believe I actually stayed in one place for 2 years. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Hopefully I actually get to edit it. I don't even know if it's gonna go up. Bye. See you in my next vlog, which is in my new house. Bye guys.